Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I'll provide the link in the description. From there, you can apply for that job. So first hiring is conducted by the CGI and they're hiring as apprentice. And the location in which they're hiring is Bangalore and it will be the full-time opportunity. And the category in which they're hiring is software development / engineering. The skills are required like analytical thinking is required. It's the most important skills in the software development. Then this is the job description. As you can see, if you are interested, then you can click on this and you can fill this form. So next hiring is conducted by the Amber and they're hiring as AI product intern, and the location in which they're hiring is Pune and it will be the full-time opportunity is there. Then you will get the stipend up to 25k during your internship, and as you do the work in the internship, based on that you will get the PPO as well, that is pre-placement offer you will get based upon your performance. Then next here you can see who can apply for the job. So tier 1 colleges candidates like IITs, NITs, BITS, triple IT or relevant premium engineering college institute can be applied for the job. Then BTech, MTech in computer science, AI, ML, data science or relevant field can be applied for the job. AI experience in prior projects, research or internships in AI, ML will be preferable. Then in technical skills like proficiency in Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, OpenAI APIs, Hugging Face, then LangChain. So this kind of skill set required. Then you should have the experience in building the AI powered applications and APIs. You should have the strong understanding of data structures, algorithms and AI ML fundamentals. Then you should have familiar with the vector database, RAG, that is nothing but the retrieval augmented generation, AutoGPT, etc. will be the additional or the plus point. So this kind of skill set are required. So if you have this kind of skill set and if you are from Tier 1 college, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the CloudSEK and they're hiring as SD, as backend engineer, as an intern they are hiring, and it will be in Bangalore. So the job location will be in Bangalore, and here you can see the job description. Okay, so the requirements are you should be a pursuing or recently completed a degree in computer science, software engineering or a relevant field can be applied for the job. Have a strong programming skills in one or more programming languages such as Node.js or Go. You should have familiar with the backend development frameworks, libraries and the tools. You should have the basic understanding of web technologies, protocols and APIs. Knowledge of databases, SQL and database design principles. Passion for the cybersecurity and keep an interest in keeping up with latest industry trends. You should have a good problem solving and analytical thinking abilities, strong communication skills and ability to work efficiently in a team oriented environment. You should have self-motivated with a strong desire to learn and grow in a dynamic or fast-paced environment. So this kind of skill set you must have. Then additional skill set like cloud related skills like AWS, Azure, GCP, if you have familiar with. Then containerization technologies like Docker, orchestration tools like Kubernetes. Okay, you should have the understanding of DevOps practices like Jenkins, Git and CI/CD pipelines, knowledge of NoSQL database, caching mechanism and distributed systems. So this kind of skill set if you have, then it will be the plus point. So yes, so this is all about it. So if you have this kind of skill set, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Deutsche Bank and they're hiring as apprentice, and it will be for non-tech role it will be, and the location in which they're hiring is Mumbai and Jaipur. So these are the two locations are there. So this is the job description, as you can see. So skills and qualifications are required, like a commerce graduate or MBA finance with specialization in financial accounting and reporting can be applied for the job. You should have good communication and articulation skills with experience of facing off to business head, then ability to work in a diverse team with cross culture exposure, very good desktop and presentation skills you must have. So they are hiring for non-tech role, and if you are commerce graduate, MBA finance graduate, then you can apply for the job. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.